Knowledge makes you great.
It's been 25 years of passionate chasing.
Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Anand Krishnan here, and we are bringing to you a very special birthday celebration. Not celebration exactly, the birthday event of Anthony Swami, who is popularly known as Kuti. Kuti is the man who cremates bodies at the electric crematorium at Kalpahali in Bangalore East. Kuti is such an inspiring man. Despite his health issues, one of his lungs is removed because of excess inhaling of carbon dioxide. He has been living with his family inside the crematorium for the past many years. He has got 3 daughters and a son. His wife, his mother, he stays there. Very helpful soul. And he also ensures that if there are any unclaimed bodies who do not have anyone to look after or to offer the last rites, he performs those last rites for these dead bodies. He helps others. In fact, he has also contributed to some of the national causes. Very inspiring story of Kuti, and he is a recipient of Inspired Indian Foundation Inspiring Indian Award a couple of years back. And today, taking you to Indiranagar Club in Bangalore, a very popular club, and here we see the birthday celebrations done under all COVID protocol rules. The person in blue shirt is the man who quickly organized everything. His name is Mr. Nagendra. He's the secretary of Indiranagar Club. And the police officer next to him in uniform is Sri Rajanna. He is the police inspector with Jeevan Bhima Nagar police station in Bangalore. And of course, there are a couple of his friends and the club officials. On behalf of Inspired Indian Foundation, we gave some goodies to Kuti, also gave him provisions and collected some money. The kind of human services he's doing, especially in the pandemic, these times, last 1.5 years, Kuti has been really busy. He was, very touched by our surprise gesture. We just called him over the phone when we came to know that it was his birthday. So here, whatever we are seeing, the club officials led by Sri Nagendra, and of course, in the presence of the police inspector and our representative, Mr. Prasad of Parijada Rice Traders, who is helping us to reach the provisions to people struck with the pandemic. So that's it, all about this small event which we held very silently. Keep Kuti in your prayers, and please do remember to go and talk to him and tell him that we're all very proud of him. Stay safe, stay inspired. Jai Hind.
Knowledge makes you great.
It's been 25 years of passionate chasing.